I'm gonna show you how to use Spotify AI DJ. So to get started, you have to find and open your Spotify app. And from there, you have to click on the music tab. And once you're there, you have to scroll down and look for the DJ icon. And once you locate the DJ icon, you have to click on it. And from there, you will now see the DJ AI. So the purpose of the DJ AI is it will automatically play based on the music genre that you have or currently have. And also it will just be used on premium Spotify app users. So you can only use it by purchasing the premium app. So to use this is you have to, allow the DJ to have access to your microphone. Then once you allow that is just you have to press continue, and then it will automatically ask permission. So from here you just have to wait for it and then just continue, and then from there you have now your DJ AI, and you can just scroll down so you can know how to use the DJ AI app. So from here the instruction is just to press and hold the DJ button to talk and to command it. So that's how you to use Spotify AI DJ.